Hey guys, it's Genevieve. Welcome back to another video for Charm Customs. So today I'm going to be making another anime pair. These ones are going to be inspired by Darling in the Franxx. Franxx, you tell me, I've watched the whole thing and still can't pronounce it. That's besides the point. These are going to have 02 on them. I know a lot of you guys really love anime, so I am excited to show you how they turn out. Aside from that, I have social media if you want to check out everything else I've done in the past or will do in the future. It's all at Charm Customs for Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. If you're interested in getting your own pair, it's at charmcustoms.com. charmcustoms.com. Subscribe, follow, whatever. You know the drill. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started.